Welcome to my YouTube channel AIHR Integrative Health. I am going to describe about the liver, its physiology, its anatomy, all about the liver I am going to cover in this video. This video may be longer, it may be in the two parts, one for the physical liver action, one for the metaphysical liver action in the human body. As you know, I am working in Suzhou, I am working in reflexology, I am working in complete body reflexology, hand reflexology, and TCM acupuncture, Suzhou acupuncture, and finally my color medicine is my invention in which I say everything can be done with the help of the color medicine. Because color medicine is an energy, it's a divine power. Whenever we can absorb the divine power in our body to heal the problems, then God gave us the energy to rectify these problems and to do good for our health. I will talk about the liver. Till now you may be knowing only about the one liver. That one liver you will be finding in this model. This is the right hand, this is the right hand of the model, and you know there is a location of the liver on the right hand, this below this rib cage. This is the exact location of the liver, and the liver is only 3 pounds. The weight of the liver is 3 pounds. It is the biggest organ in the body. It takes care of so many things in the body that I will cover later. But now I will show you there are 4 livers in our body. One on the physical level that I showed you, or you can see on my body. This is the area where the right side of the body, there is a liver, this rib cage, there is a liver and the gallbladder. Similarly, in this model, I am trying to show you the location of the liver. This is the location of the liver and the gallbladder. There are 3 other liver correspondents on the body. You will be surprised to see the location of these livers in the body. One, according to the reflexology, this is the brain, this is the liver. You can see here is the liver, because liver is controlling the blood circulation in the body, in the brain on metaphysical level. In Korea, in Singapore, and in Malaysia, and so many other countries, they have the different reflexology points and different reflexology organs location also. In Vietnam, you will go, they have the different organs location on a metaphysical level. So this is the one of the liver here, according to the various country theory. They also treat the liver at this point. You can see this is the liver correspondence. One liver correspondence I have showed you this place, and second liver I have showed you in this position, just in front of top of your head. And third liver You will be surprised to know the location of the third lever. Third lever, you can see it is just below the pubic bone. Just here below this pubic bone. If you press it upward, just on the root of the penis, you press this pubic bone upward. This is also one of the lever correspondence. That lever correspondence is directly controlling your sex organ, your vagina, your penis, your testes, and your sexual behavior. Everything is controlled by this lever. This lever is also very effective when you do the massage on this point, or you press this lever correspondence just upward to the CV meridian. Here you will find the point of the CV2. If you are massaging CV2 upward, then you are massaging the liver organ, you are activating your liver organ. This organ controls everything of your sex activity, your penis, in female vagina, and in female also frigidity. If sexual weakness is there, you can activate this point upward, lever activate. While you are activating the lever here, while you are activating this lever, what you are doing? You are pressing this is the pubic bone. This is the pubic bone. You are pressing your center and middle of the pubic bone upward. When you put it upward, then all the nerves in the penis, all the nerves in vagina, all energy circulation increases in your penis, in your testes, in your vagina, in your ovaries, and every part of the sexual organ. You will find this lever is more effective. And this lever is also effective. Your thigh pain and your pain inside the thigh, poor blood circulation in the lungs, legs, poor muscular strength in your leg. If you press this point upward like this, you will realize within few days you will find the changes in your sex organ, you will find the changes in your sex behavior, you will find the changes in your frigidity, and you will find the change in your sex enjoyment. Everything you will find this, and this is the third brain, which I have told you. First lever I have told you, right side of the body. Second lever I have told you just here. This is the, according to the Korean, according to the Philippines, according to the other countries, they have the lever correspondence on this place. Fourth lever correspondence, you will be surprised to see. This is the lever correspondence. I will show you on my hand, and there is also, I have one video. You can see this is the lever. You can see this is the lever correspondence according to the Sujog acupuncture. So I have given you four correspondence of lever. One is the physical lever. One I have given you just above the starting point of your vagina and penis. There is also lever reflex point. Third I have given just here. If you massage it like this, you activate this, you are activating your lever. And fourth lever, this is the fourth lever as per the Sujok. Now I will have given you the 4 location of the liver and its function and how this can be very effective for your daily life. The liver in the body can define as an overseer of the body. Overseer of the body means he is the king of the body. He is controlling everything in the body. Liver is controlling your anger. Liver is controlling your emotion. Liver is controlling your sexual behavior. Liver is controlling blood circulation in the brain. Liver is controlling the blood circulation in the nerves and arteries and veins. So in short word, what I can say, liver, 3-pound liver, weight of liver is 3 pounds. It contains so many biles and the enzymes which are good for your digestive system. The liver has more than 500 types of enzymes in it. These enzymes are doing lot of work in our body. What we don't know, he is working silently in the body all the time. In other words, I can say liver is liver is a force, liver is a power behind the thorn. Behind the thorn means this is our body is a thorn. Our body is a statue. Our body is a movable statue. Or our body is a complete our body is complete universe. You can say our body is complete universe. With the eyes we can see anywhere. With the nose we can inhale the cosmic energy. With our brain we can imagine anything. We can go anywhere. We can think about anywhere, anybody, any type of emotions we can think. That is the responsibility of the liver. The liver is responsible to reconnect everything in the body. Body, mind and soul. These all are connected with the liver. If our liver is working very well, our mind is happy. If our liver is working very well, our body systems are very well. Our digestive system is okay. Our excretory system is okay. Because liver is son of kidney and the urinary bladder. Son of kidney and the bladder means if the mother is happy, automatically son will be happy. If your liver is happy, automatically mother will be happy. This is the main aim of defining my everything about liver. In this first part, I will explain physical working of the liver. When the liver is hurt, when the liver is sick, or liver is not having the proper energy, then what happens in your body? You feel poor blood circulation in your body. You feel poor muscular system. You feel your joy level is affected. You feel your anger level is high. You cannot control your anger. When the liver is sick, your anger becomes the continuous anger. Or in other words, I will say that anger becomes the chronic anger. What do you mean by chronic anger? Chronic anger is an anger when you are 24 hours show your anger. You are shouting every moment in your family, in your friendship, in your office, in the market, or wherever you go. Your body reflects the anger in your behavior. This is a chronic anger. When father comes in the house, he started shouting on the wife, or he will start shouting on the children. For just nothing, no reason. He is not doing intentionally these things. His behavior is not under his own control. But his problem is only due to malfunction of the liver. If I can treat the liver, I can sedate the liver heat, or I can sedate other things in the liver and liver meridian. That I will cover another part, because this video is going to be very long, so I don't want to go this video beyond 30 minutes, so I will cut short for 30 minutes video. Then I will go to the another video where I will discuss everything about the energy, about its meridian, how to handle the TCM meridian, how you can heal the liver with the help of the color medicine, how you can heal the liver with the chakra magnet, how you can heal the liver with the help of the Sujog needles, for which I have shoot a video, and that video I have posted on my YouTube channel also, and I find lot of people have enjoyed, and it is a very educative. They have learned so many things, and they have given me very positive feedback about that liver video. And this is this video. I showed them how to balance this liver with the help of the Sujog needles. Liver has more than 500 functions in the body. Liver has more than 500 functions in the body. Sometimes you find the cervical issue. Sometimes you find the SpGT level of liver in excess, and that SpGT level is directly related with your nerves. And nerves is directly related with blood circulation in the system, in the nervous system. Next, your liver and gallbladder is directly related with your muscular system. If your muscles are weak, it means your muscle and gallbladder is not behaving properly. There may be something wrong physically or metaphysically. Once you go to the lab, you have various tests test for the liver, then you come to know only physical condition of the liver. But you are not getting the correct information of your liver. So this my video will enlighten your knowledge about the liver, behavior about the liver, and you can yourself judge how your liver is working. One more very important thing I will share with you. Liver timing is 1 to 3 a.m. late night, when you are sleeping like a horse, when you are sleeping like a dead man. That time is liver is most active. What that activeness shows in the late night hours? Because in the late night hours, you are sleeping, you are relaxing, most of the organs are in sleepy mode, your only heart is working, your mind is also calmed down. If you have a sound sleep, your mind is also calmed down. So this is the reason in late night 1 to 3 a.m. your liver is working, your liver is repairing your muscular system, your liver is repairing your nerves, your liver is repairing your blood circulation in the body. Liver is circulating the blood in your nerves, in your head, in your muscles. Everywhere liver is taking care of your body. Liver is taking care of your emotions. It means liver likes the darkness. You can see I am putting this complete dark shirt. It means I am protecting my liver from the heat. I am protecting my liver from the sun rays. I am protecting my liver from heat, sun, temperature, everything, because liver like the darkness atmosphere. In the night when 1 to 3, liver is in the most powerful mode. 1 to 3 a.m. is the time of the liver, when liver is having the most powerful energy in it. He is gaining the energy from the previous organ, and he is storing the energy in it. And that stored energy repair the entire body for 2 hours. This is also one of the most important metaphysical working of the liver. I will share more information with you. Liver is also important organs for your digestive system. When we eat or we intake anything, it may be solid or it may be liquid, so immediately liver releases the biles and the enzymes. That biles and enzymes are how many types? Medical science till today they don't know much about it. But we also believe it that when we are taking food, I am inhaling something, I am getting some food into my stomach through the food pipe. then immediately gallbladder and liver is releasing the enzymes and the bile. And the property and quality of liver in enzyme is to dilute that solid food into liquid. Dilute or liquidify that solid food into semi-liquid stage. When the food, solid food, passes through the windpipe, it is already liquidified. It has become the loose paste. So you feel my food is going to the stomach bag. This process going to the stomach bag and your intake in the travel in the food pipe is completely responsible on liver and the gallbladder. If this liver and gallbladder is not releasing the enzymes and not releasing the biles, you cannot make your food liquidify. You cannot make your food in the shape of the paste. When your paste is made, paste is traveled to the stomach bag, and stomach bag it traveled to the small intestine, then it traveled to the large intestine, crossing the various non-return walls. The non-return walls are fitted in the small intestine, large intestine, and your stomach connectivity also. These are the non-return wall. When there is a problem in the wall which is connecting with the stomach and the large intestine, you have the tendency of vomiting. After eating, you vomit complete food, part of the some food, or very quantity of the food which you have eaten. So this is the working of the liver. And next is function of the liver for the blood. When liver stores the blood. Liver stores the blood. When we are eating something, we are eating spicy food, we are eating oily foods, that food goes into our system. And in the system, liver releases the chemicals, enzymes and biles, which dissolve in the blood. When the blood is formed in the small intestine and it is processed in the body, when it comes to finally in the liver for processing, at that time liver do final processing of the blood. It will suck the fat contents from the blood and convert it to energy. And how that process takes place in the liver. You know, many people complain about the fatty liver. Fatty liver stage 1, fatty liver stage 2. What all this? This all is the process of the liver and the digestive system. The fat then generated by the system travel in the body, in the blood. I already told you Liver stores the blood and spleen circulate the bloods. When liver is storing the blood, liver is getting the blood into it for processing. With the help of the enzymes and with the help of the chemicals stored in the liver, it processes your blood, it cleans your blood, it takes care of your blood, and it makes your blood fat free. The making of your blood fat free is the greatest responsibility of the liver. Digestion of the food in the large intestine, in the small intestine, is also responsibility of the liver to release correct type or desired type of enzymes and biles. Processing will be done in the large intestine, processing will be done in the small intestine, but as a catalyst, liver is releasing everything which is required by large intestine or the small intestine to digest the food, to process the food, to suck the nutrients from the food and suck the nutrients which are responsible for making the blood in the large intestine. That is also happen with the help of the liver, which is releasing the enzymes and various other chemicals in a desired quantity, in a desired time, in a desired process. So everything of your digestive system is taken care by the liver. So if you want to live happy and healthy, please take care of your liver. One more important thing, I told you, liver like the darkness. Keep yourself in a cool place, wherever you can protect yourself from high temperature, exposure to the sun, unnecessary exposure to the sun. Those laborers, those poor people, they are working in the farms, they are working in the field, but always you will find them, they cover their head with a cotton cloth. When your brain is cold, you are having the sweat on your head, it means your complete body is under cover and your body temperature is not going to be very high. If this is the condition, then you can save your liver from the heat, you can save your liver from the sun exposure, and as I am putting this black shirt, I am protecting my liver with the darkness, and liver like the darkness because 1 to 3 a.m. is the time of the liver. This all about the physical working of the liver. I will discuss in the next video what are the metaphysical working of the liver, how it controls your emotions, how it controls your skin, how it controls your eyesight, how it controls your kidney and the bladder, and how it controls the dryness energy in the body, how it controls the water content in your body. Sometimes you may have heard the people having the edema in the stomach area, water accumulation in the stomach area. Around the navel there is a water accumulation. What is the cause? What is the reason? For retention of water in the abdomen, or dehydration or storage of water in the lower belly, swelling on the face, swelling in the around the belly, around the navel, it all is due to liver. Because the chemistry of the liver is not good. The blood in your belly, in your system, is getting converted to the bladder, converted to the water. And instead of blood circulation in the belly, water circulation is there. This is also one of the very complicated stage of the liver. But I have tried it successfully with the help of the color medicine. So in my second part, I will discuss about the symmetry of the liver, anatomy of the liver, and meridians, its energy point, and how to handle the color medicine, liver medicine for various type of diseases. I will give you the protocol, I give you the points, and I will give you everything about the livers. These videos will be my private videos. I will share these videos with my students who are joining my classes on payment. If anybody else want to have these videos, they have to make the payment. So this is the first part 1, and part 2, everything about the treatment of the liver and its emotional, its metaphysical behavior, and everything about the liver. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, AIHR Integrative Health. Thank you.